Are you struggling to build a predictable sales model? Do you want to invest in a sales team but don't know how? At K-Factor Advisory, we'll share with you the K-Factor SaaS sales playbook that I've developed over the years working in the early stage growth of companies like LinkedIn, Dropbox, and Uber. Despite spending nearly a dozen years in the SaaS industry, it makes me very sad to see no specialized SaaS offerings delivered by SaaS veterans. It's my mission to change this. Today, we have the most number of SaaS businesses in Australia, more than ever before, and even more international companies looking to invest in the region. At K-Factor, our vision is to be the first SaaS consultancy designed for SaaS by SaaS. We don't believe in complex flowcharts and complicated grids. Instead, we deliver our solutions in simple language tailored for your offering. While we do offer in-person consultations and workshops, we recognize that a lot of businesses have switched to remote working, and so our online programs and courses can be custom designed to suit your needs. All you need is an internet connection.